Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 618 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today from Outlook Money focuses on a crucial gap many adventurous travelers overlook: the need for specialized insurance. As more Indians move beyond conventional holidays, the lure of the mountains, oceans, and skies is stronger than ever. Activities like high altitude trekking in the Himalayas, scuba diving in the Andamans, or skiing in Gulmarg are no longer niche pursuits. However, this surge in adventure tourism brings significant risks. The major pitfall for most travelers is the assumption that their standard travel insurance policy covers them. In reality, these policies almost always contain a long list of exclusions, specifically naming high risk activities. This means an accident during a paragliding session or a medical emergency on a remote trek could lead to catastrophic out of pocket expenses, with costs for emergency helicopter evacuations running into several lakhs of rupees. This is where specialized adventure insurance becomes not just an add on, but an essential piece of travel gear. These tailored policies are designed to address the specific risks, covering scenarios that standard policies won't address. This includes emergency medical evacuation and exile, coverage for activity related accidents, and even compensation for lost or damaged expensive sports equipment. The industry is quickly recognizing this shift in consumer behavior. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer Commercial at Bajaj General Insurance, recently commented on this trend, noting, as Indians redefine what a holiday means, their insurance needs to evolve in lockstep. A standard policy offers a false sense of security when you are scaling a mountain or exploring the deep sea. We have seen a significant surge in demand for activity-specific coverage, and our focus is on providing travelers with the confidence to explore without worrying about the what-ifs. It is about ensuring their dream holiday does not turn into a financial nightmare. This proactive approach is crucial for ensuring that the spirit of adventure is matched with the spirit of preparedness. Our next story from the Hindu Business Line delves into a significant potential policy shift in the motor insurance sector that could impact millions of vehicle owners. The article explores the ongoing debate over freeing third-party motor insurance rates from the annual regulatory oversight of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, or IRDAI. Currently, these rates are set by the regulator and apply uniformly across the industry, creating a one-size-fits-all model. This innovative approach creates a personalized pricing model where an individual's clean driving record leads to more accurate and fair rates, truly reflecting their low-risk profile. The proposed move to a market-based pricing system is being hailed as a potential game changer. By allowing insurance companies to set their own third-party premium rates based on individual risk assessment, the market would become more competitive and dynamic. This deregulation would likely spur innovation, leading to the introduction of more sophisticated products, such as telematics-based insurance, where premiums are directly linked to driving behavior. The broader societal benefit is immense. It would create a powerful financial incentive for motorists to drive more safely, potentially reducing road accidents. While it might mean higher premiums for high-risk drivers, the overall effect would be a more efficient and fair insurance ecosystem, encouraging more people to insure their vehicles and ultimately making Indian roads safer for everyone. Next up, we turn to a story from The Hindu that highlights a groundbreaking collaborative study by the World Health Organization and a leading Indian business school, which provides an exciting blueprint for this transformation, highlighting digitally unified insurance as the key to unlocking a new standard of care and efficiency. This revolutionary vision moves beyond today's challenges to focus on a seamless, empowered experience for all. Imagine a future where, upon leaving the hospital, your insurance claim is processed and approved almost instantaneously through a secure digital network. This is not a distant dream, it is the practical, achievable future outlined in the report. This level of integration promises to slash administrative costs by up to 30%, freeing up vital resources to be reinvested directly into patient care. More importantly, it transforms the patient experience, replacing weeks of anxious waiting for reimbursement with the peace of mind that comes from immediate, hassle-free support. The benefits extend far beyond simple efficiency. This digital transformation paves the way for a unified digital health record for every citizen, empowering doctors with complete information to make more informed decisions and ensuring better continuity of care. For hospitals, it means liberation from endless paperwork, allowing them to focus on their core mission is healing patients. This initiative is more than just a technological upgrade. It is a fundamental step towards building a healthcare framework that is transparent, accessible, and profoundly resilient. And finally, a News 18 story that brings the importance of travel insurance into sharp focus. Recently, thousands of passengers were stranded and in chaos after Indigo, one of India's largest airlines, cancelled a large number of flights due to operational issues. The scenes at airports across the country were of frantic travelers trying to rebook flights, facing long delays and dealing with significant uncertainty. For many, this meant unexpected financial burdens, including costs for last-minute alternative travel, extended hotel stays, and meals while they waited for a resolution. This incident serves as a stark reminder of how travel insurance can be a financial lifesaver in situations like this. However, it is crucial for travelers to understand what their policy actually covers. A comprehensive travel insurance plan that includes coverage for trip delay and trip cancellation can reimburse these additional expenses. Policies can cover meal and accommodation costs if a flight is delayed beyond a certain number of hours, and they can cover the cost of an alternative flight if the original one is cancelled. It is vital to note, however, that coverage often depends on the reason for the cancellation. While operational snags are typically covered, issues known in advance, like pre-announced strikes, might be excluded. This highlights the absolute necessity of reading the fine print and choosing a policy that offers robust protection against such unforeseen disruptions. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.